Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create engaging Facebook posts that not only capture your audience's attention, but also spark conversation and drive engagement. So, we're going to use a simple but powerful prompt to generate our Facebook post ideas. Here's the prompt. Act as a creative expert specializing in creating engaging Facebook posts. Generate 5 creative ideas for posts about topic that will captivate the target audience and drive engagement. Each idea should be unique, visually appealing, and thought-provoking. Consider incorporating multimedia elements such as images, videos, or interactive content to make the post stand out. Ensure that the ideas align with the brand's messaging and goals and have the potential to go viral and spark conversation among followers. For this tutorial, let's pick a topic. I'll go with 2025 Can-Am Outlander 850, which is a premium ATV model. You can replace this with any topic that fits your business or brand. Let's hit enter and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Check this out. Idea 1. Ready for the Wild Adventure Photo Contest. Now that's a post that not only engages visually, but also sparks a conversation. People love sharing their experiences. Here's another one. A day in the life of the Can-Am Outlander 850 POV video. As you can see, these ideas aren't just text-based. These ideas automatically encourage the powerful use of images and videos, which in turn can make the content stand out. One thing to remember, make sure your posts align with your brand's messaging. And there you have it. 5 engaging, creative Facebook post ideas generated in just a few seconds using ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.